What's up, basshead? Boy, the basshead himself. I'm finna show y'all what Mr. Run did today. I'm finna replicate it. I like replicating things. So since I like to replicate things, I'm gonna tell y'all what I did. Bro, I was burping this truck, trying to figure out my burp frequency before the show. Just doing some testing. I done ran this battery down. I'm gonna need to drive around. I'm finna go fill up my truck with some gas. So, yeah, that. Then I'm gonna come home. I'm gonna top my lithium off because I think it's floating around 12.9 right now. But what I did earlier, fellas, it did a 148. I want to see if I can do this. Let me go to the picture. Earlier did a 148.17 at 34 hertz on the burp. I'm finna try to replicate it. And for most people that don't know, in these trucks, you have a 120 volt charger up under here. That's what's powering the meter. Because as y'all know, the pressure is taking the USB cable out of that port. It's gonna have a short in not too long. Alright, so fellas, let me go around here. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know how we do things. Let me go show y'all meter placement. And we're gonna do it like that, fellas. And when I turn the phone back around, I'm gonna keep it that way so y'all will see where this meter is at all times. We don't do no faking, we don't do no bullshit around here. Alright. Don't mind my drill. We're gonna set that meter to peak hold. I know the peak frequency. 34. Peak hold, fellas. I don't want to move too fast. Everybody can see it. Peak hold. Nothing on the meter. Give y'all some subwoofer flex in the midst of this too. So y'all can see all this in real time, fellas. 13.9. I've been playing with it, testing it all day. Trying to get ready. Let's make sure that volume right. Volume 28. Okay, we didn't need that, but okay. Matter of fact, it's on 28, but let's go be on the safe side. Let's go back to the meter. So y'all can't nobody say that this is fake. They're just off a regular done trip song. Just that one little note. Peak hold, fellas. Alright. So we got our volume set. Got our meter set. We're gonna do a quick burp. Just so y'all can see what this thing is doing. Let's go back here to the subs. Let's go back here to these boys here. Don't play with these boys here, fellas. Don't play when they show ready. They showtime ready. B2 Rampage teams. They showtime ready. And they sound good. But this is what we finna do, fellas. I'm gonna bend down so y'all can catch the subwoofer flexing. While they doing this, bass note. Cause we all love a little subwoofer flex. And on my cellular device, I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm playing this music off YouTube. Let me switch it up. Go to this other page where I still got my YouTube Premium. We are finna play a 34 hertz sine wave, fellas. So let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Y'all know y'all liked it that. Y'all know y'all liked it that. Jay be lying, man. I don't care what Jay tell y'all. Vulture went down 13.6 I saw and went back up. Jay, that don't look like 30 millimeters. I know folks gonna tell me I can't see 30 millimeters, but my inner bass head is telling me that ain't no 30 millimeters X-Max. If you ask me, it's at minimum, I say about 34, 35, somewhere in there. But let's go to the meter, fella. Let's see what the meter tells me. 148.33 at 30 fucking 4. We below 35. for the naysayers at the house, 148.33. And the only thing I can tell y'all, fella, that's exactly where I was over there by the sub. 148.33. Lock that in, y'all. Tell your friends. Anybody worried about burping and ready for me at the show, they know what to expect. That was me, back door open, showing y'all the subs, showing y'all a burp, showing them boys get the flexing. This here is your boy, the bass head. And fellas, don't play with me. Pull up on me you want to with I got these 210s. 210s under the seat of a pickup truck. Y'all know what that is. Y'all know what that is. This is exactly what it sounds like. And y'all know about that cannon. Don't even play with it. So we ready for the show. If don't nothing go wrong, fellas, I will be there. But let's not forget this go. On a burp. 2 10s. 2 10s, fellas. Alright. Y'all done seen me doing 147, 146s on music. Come on, fellas. I wonder could I do this on music? I'm gonna play with it and see. If I can do it on music, y'all know I'm gonna have to go and record a video. But I tried numerous times to get this video up. This where we at, with it, fellas. This your boy, the bass head. So y'all see me, see the meter, still in the same spot. Ain't no faking, ain't no bullshit over here. This is my scope. All right, fellas, peace.